Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Consulting is always a good idea when in a relationship. Well, I'm not just talking about a relationship between a couple, but also when it is a child and a parent. My dear parents, it's extremely important that we ask our kids, many a time tell them, consult with them. Just pushing orders on them, it's not a great idea. That's the base that we form for our kids for not to be approachable and they not approaching us. It's always a good idea that we sit them down, and there's nothing wrong in asking them. One, it makes the kids closer to you, it makes you approachable to them, so whenever they have an issue they actually can come up to you and they will talk when you're actually asking them things, when actually you're consulting things with them. Second, in the long run, that ego of you being asked or you being told is not there. I'm sure all of you will have this complaint with your parents today that they never ask us, they never listen to us, because your parents have a certain ego, because they never spoke to you when you were young and they never approached and you were not approachable, and that's how the relationship ruined. Today, don't commit that same mistake, my dear parents. Consult with your kids. If there's something that you want to put him into some classes, say for example, there's nothing wrong. After their age of 9 to 10, they have a mind of their own. They know what they like, they don't like. So it's always, there's nothing wrong in before, just going in consulting with them, saying that, hey son, or I plan to put you up in a cricket class. Are you really interested to go and play cricket? Yes, no, it will give him a satisfaction that, oh, my parents are asking me, they are worried, they also are caring about what I care and about what I like and dislike. Do give it a try and see the difference. You will know that your kids will start coming to you for even the smaller things that they want or they have not thought of, or they feel that earlier you were not approachable and today you're more approachable to them. Do give it a try and let me know how it worked. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying bye.